Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I don't really know what to call this look. It's like a Swarovski crystal like space kind of look, but yeah, I basically just made it up as I went along, so let me know if you have any ideas what I should call this, then comment down below. So yeah, I've just quickly done my foundation with my Barry in Nude, which I basically wear this every day. It's my favourite foundation. And then I'm just going in with my contour, which is my Pro Conceal, and it's in shade Toast. Please don't judge me on this contour. I basically rushed it because I knew I was going to be covering it up, so yeah, don't hate me for it. And yeah, I'm just blending that out with my Spectrum Collections brush. And now I'm just going in with my MORPHE concealer in shade Sand. Now I'm just going in with my duo glue and I'm just applying that to a small brush, and then I'm going to apply that to my eyebrows to like try and stick my eyebrows down. And now I'm just going in with my MORPHE palette in 9C, and I'm just using the lighter shades to set my foundation. But I don't recommend actually setting your eyebrows. I learned the hard way and my eyeshadow wouldn't stick to it afterwards. So yeah, and now I'm just going in with my MORPHE eyeshadow palette in 35B, and I'm just using the yellow shades to the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going in with the pink. And then just blend that out as like, don't be so neat, just blend it out as high and like it's not meant to be a neat look. I'm just going to go in with the purple in the middle of my eye. And then going in with the blue. And remember just to blend it as high as possible. So all the way up to your eyebrows. And now I'm just going in with the light green shades and just putting that under my eye. And then to make my eyes stand out a bit more, I go in with black. I just put that all the way underneath and on my lid. And now I'm just using my Model's Own mascara. And now I'm just going in with my highlight palette by MORPHE in DD, and I'm using the lightest shades, and I'm basically just putting this on my cheekbones, on my temples, just above my eyebrows, on my nose, my lip and my chin. And now for the eyelashes, I'm using MORPHE in Hot Stuff, and I'm just applying that with my duo glue. Now I'm just randomly putting dots of glue where I'm going to stick the gems. So this was the final look. I hope you love it. The only thing I did miss out because my camera died was applying the glitter to my lips, and that glitter is from BYNICLOVE, she's called. And I just added some sparkly jewellery and some swirly little flowers in my hair, which you can get off eBay. So yeah, if you have any other ideas for any other videos, then please comment down below, and if you enjoyed this video then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.